You slide this on, wear it at the game. You crank, turns, and the thing pops open. I jump every time I've done this.
That's the best. It's honestly the best.
Hi, this is Tim Andrews, President and Chief Executive Officer of ASI. I'm at the second day of exhibitions and the third day of the ASI Chicago show. We have a great experience here this week. People are having a really great time. A few things have been going on. First, Education Day. Our attendance at Education Day was up about 8% from a year ago. Lots of people trying to find out lots of good ideas, new ideas. We had a new distributor track. We had about 150 people on that. All the other rooms were really packed during the entire day. We've had Education Day, in fact, over the course of the 3 days of the show here at ASI Chicago. We spend over $1 million a year on education because we really want people to be more successful, both suppliers and distributors. And in fact, on setup day, on the first day, we had a supplier seminar during lunch, and we had about 150 suppliers who were in an education day for themselves. So both distributor and supplier and decorator education, it's gone really well here. We started this morning with an interview by Matthew Cohn, Vice Chair of ASI, with Paul Logge, the CEO of Norwood, which was recently acquired by Bic. And then we had a keynote speaker, Harry Beckwith, very interesting guy, talked a lot about marketing and the power of marketing and why it's so important. And now, of course, we're on the trade show floor. So I wanted to share with you 3 items that I saw this morning that I thought were really interesting from the show floor. The first is from HIT Promotional Products. HIT Promotional Products is ASI 61125. ASI 61125. A very fast-growing industry supplier, and this is a very solid step stool. Really cool. Folding, very easy to store. You can store this flat. I think this would be great to have in the back of your car, so in case you need to do something out, when you're out and about. Have this maybe under the cabinet in your kitchen. Really sturdy, and in fact, I'm going to show you how sturdy it is. I'm going to stand on it the rest of my broadcast here. Let's scroll back up here. Okay, again, that's from HIT Promotional Products, ASI 61125. It's called the AD stool, the AD stool. Next, I have a couple of products from Built New York Inc. Built New York Inc. is ASI 42424. ASI 42424. And this is the Milo potholder. This is really cool. It's made of a protective textured neoprene on the outside. It's a wetsuit material, so this can be imprinted in lots of different places. All of these products, of course, from Built New York, draw on New York City style, people who really make up their Soho neighborhood. They do lots of great retail products so that your client can know the brand, Built New York, have seen it in stores, know that there's a high value proposition, and then of course when they're giving this as a gift to their end buyers, the end buyer, or really the recipient of the product, knows that this is a high value property because they've seen this in retail. So this happens to be the Milo potholder, so you can use this when you're cooking. They also have a large market tote. So this is a great item. You can imprint on the side of this. This comes in multiple size colors. This is great for grocery shopping, opens up inside, and of course it's also made of neoprene, which is the wetsuit material, so it keeps things a little chilly, after you've left the grocery store. Great market tote. It opens up on the bottom like this, pops up, holds a lot, holds almost as much as a regular plastic grocery bag, maybe even in fact a little bit more, and it's a really high quality, both from a fashion perspective but also from a quality perspective. Again, both of these items are from Built New York, ASI 42424. My final product, I've never seen this before. I think it's a brand new product. I've never seen it. It's from Shipinco, ASI 86850. ASI 86850, one of our big sponsors at the show this week. This is the Encore Hide and Seek recycled pencil. So it's made of recycled material. There's a coating on the entire pencil that's a dark coating, like a carbon color, and it covers slightly, just ever so slightly, the actual logo or the message that you have. It's a hidden message, but you can see it just a little bit through it, and you reveal it by rubbing on the message. And this is a heat-sensitive feature. So you rub this just a little bit with your finger, and your message is then exposed through the slight carbon shading that's on the pencil. I think this is really cool. You could put all sorts of messages under this, and then the whole process of rubbing off is very simple. Nothing on my fingers, so you don't have to worry about your customers, or the end buyers, clients getting anything on their fingers. This is all heat sensitive. Again, from Shipinco, the Encore Hide and Seek recycled pencil. Shipinco is ASI 86850. Very inventive, a new spin on a pencil. Great product. I'd really urge you to check this out for your clients. And Tim Andrews, let's get back up here. I'm still standing on the HIT promotional product stool, which has held me up during the whole thing. Thank you very much for joining me here at ASI Chicago 2009. Had a great show experience. Look forward to seeing you in the fall at Las Vegas, where we've got a great gift and fourth quarter sales show to get you really started on incentives and gift giving. So see you in Las Vegas. Thanks very much for tuning in. Let us know how we can help. Email me anytime. Thanks very much. Have a great day.